What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just a Molly Boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I'll be doing a review on the Edifier W570BTs. Okay, this is an on-ear wireless type headphones. It's very reminiscent or very similar to something like the Skull Candy Uproars. I did an unboxing of the Skull Candy Uproars like back late 2015, early 2016. And these are just as good, or dare I say even better, sound better than the Skull Candy Uproars. Now I already did the unboxing and whatnot. Here's a few pictures of what it looked like before it came in the box. It was basically a standard plastic box, okay, and it came with a micro USB cable to charge your headphones. Now these start at $29.99, which is a pretty good price for wireless Bluetooth headphones. $29.99, that's really budget. I think anything under $50 tends to lean towards budget. But let me see, and the sound quality for these things are fantastic for what you pay for. Okay, now it's better than the sound intones here. Well, actually, this probably on par, but these are like $10 more. Okay, and these are on ear. I think these are sound intone or Alihan, one of the two. I get those two confused all the time, but it's not as good as something as my Blue Ant Pump Solos, which sound just as good as Solo Beats. It's the Solo 2 wired headphones. That's how good these sound. The thing is, this is much lighter, okay, and pack a ridiculously amount of sound. I mean, the bass, the mids, the highs, they're clear, okay? They're clear for what they are. Hi-fi sound, it sounds hi-fi. And you can turn it up to full volume without it distorting, okay? Get crazy, there's no crazy distortion or whatnot. It doesn't get tinny and whatnot. And if you got a good equalizer on your app, whatever app you're using to play these, you can clean up the sound. Let's go ahead and play a sample song real quick. Okay, again, these are already paired. I've been already testing them. I'm gonna play this song for you folks. Okay, and it's marked right and left. Okay, that's good. I like that. And I love the fit. It sits right on top of your head. And there's basically no pressure on this thing. And the volume is loud. Okay, I turned it up. It's loud. It gets loud. Okay, and that was at full volume. And the power button is right here on, this is the right ear cup, I should say. It's right there. You see that blinking light there? And the volume and volume button is right there, and that's the micro USB charge. That's where you stick the cable. You can either charge it on the computer or your standard micro USB phone charger, wherever you, I mean, everyone has them. Okay, everyone used to have them. Now everything's going Type C. But for $29.99, okay, these are hard to beat. I mean, even the price. I mean, the sound of these shocked me. Okay, I did not think it was gonna sound this good. Now, I'm going to point out the con real quick. There's one blaring con. Now, once these run out of battery, and these got about a 10-hour battery life, that's what Edifier says. I haven't actually ran out of the battery yet. I charged it. I know I left it on the charger for like a good 3-4 hours. I don't know how long it takes to charge because I never really checked. But I left it on the charger, and I took it off. I actually fell asleep with them overnight because these things are comfortable. There's no pressure on your ears, and they're so light you hardly know they're there. These don't even weigh a pound, I think, or maybe a pound or less. This is really light, and they're comfortable, like I said. And these are leather pads, and they sit right on your ear. There's no pressure. Two cons, I should say. I gotta be fair. I gotta point out two cons. Plastic. Okay, this is plastic. If you break this, it's very easy to break. If you break this, these are done pretty much. Okay, you sit on them, you abuse your headphones. You know, you throw them all over the face. If these break, it's done. Another con is that there's no 3.5mm jack connection here. Now, Edifier, okay, they put all that money they're charging for these headphones, $29.99, into the sound quality. Okay, they didn't spend it on a fancy box. They didn't spend it on, you know, fancy accessories. They spent the money and put it all into sound quality. And for $29.99, these are fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic. Totally recommend these if you're on a budget, wanting some on-ear type headphones. And standard range, 10 meters. Okay, I did my range test, and right around 30 feet start to get spotty, but that's pretty much everything. Now that's line of sight. Now if I went down my hallway, went into one of my rooms with my cell phone, it start to chop. And again, Bluetooth 4.0, like if it's really windy outside, you're gonna hear some chop too on these things as well. I mean, usually Bluetooth 4.1 and below, you'll hear a lot of chop when it's really windy outside. Bluetooth 4.2, 5.0, there's hardly any 5.0. I don't think there is any 5.0 headphones out there. But 4.2 is pretty much the standard right now, like the best you can get. And there's only, well, it's not only, they're starting to have more Bluetooth 4.2 technology headphones, but 4.0 is good enough. Like I said, if you want a cheap budget pair of headphones that don't skimp out on sound quality, this is it right here. Light, to the point. Okay, Edifier, fantastic. I am convinced Edifier is one of the best sound specialists out there. They build speakers and they build other headphones. I am tempted to get another pair of wireless headphones, the over-the-ear ones, because of how good these sound. But yeah, look for that video probably in a month or so, because money is tight and I've been picking up all these neat little knickknacks. And I try to do a weekly review for you folks every week, an unboxing or some type of commentary or a review of some type of tech audio or game product. But it's getting kind of pricey. So I don't know. It's gonna probably be a once or twice a month review or whatnot. Or I might start up a Patreon. I know I don't want to do it, but I might go ahead and do it. I don't know. We'll see. I have to think of the incentives for you folks to donate to my Patreon account, because, and if you folks are interested in checking these out, I'll leave a link down below. It'll be posted on my Amazon store link. Okay, it'll be the first one at the top, because it is. I'm totally recommending these for $29.99 price per performance. These are fantastic. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every 2 days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.